In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. Yesterday our topic was affricate sounds. Today our topic is nasal sounds, that how nasal sounds are produced. What is the manner of articulation of nasal sounds? Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about other consonant sounds, they are produced at the time whenever our soft palate it is raised. However, whenever we are talking about nasal sounds, at the production of nasal sounds, when the air comes from our lungs, so our nasal cavity, it enters to our nasal cavity. Why? Because at that time, the production of nasal sounds, our soft palate, it is lowered down. I'm repeating. As I told you that, whenever we are talking about other consonant sounds, so whenever the air comes from our lungs and it reaches to our vocal cords, so most of the time our soft palate or velum, it is raised. However, whenever we are talking about the nasal sounds, so when the air comes from the lung, so instead of the raising of velum or soft palate, it is lowered down. So our soft palate lowers down and the air enter to the nasal cavity, and the sound produced at that moment, that is known as nasal sound. Listeners and audience, basically there are three nasal sounds. The first one, that is N or N sound. The next one, that is M or M sound. And the third one, that is ing sound, which is also known as NG sound. So listeners and audience, I think this